Okay, thank you for making it to what I think is the 5th video now. So you should be way into your summer holidays now, so you should be really starting to enjoy these videos on this maths. Okay, the next topic that we're going to have a look at is expanding and simplifying brackets. Now this is worth 2 marks in the exams, and the first mark is for doing expanding, the second mark is for doing the simplifying. So the way we do the expanding is we do whatever's on the outside of the bracket. So we do 2 lots of 2, and we do 2 lots of 2x and 2 lots of plus 1. So 2 lots of 2x. If 2 people have 2 eggs, in total that's going to be 4 eggs. So 2 lots of 2x is 4x. Then we've got 2 lots of 1, which is going to be plus 2. Now you've got to remember to put this sign here as well. The next one is 3 lots of 4x, which is going to be 12x. But because it's a positive, we've got to make sure we put this plus sign, which people do forget to do. So 3 lots of 4x is going to be a positive 12x, and then 3 lots of 2 is going to be plus 6. Once you've done that, that's the expanded bit, and even if you get one of these bits wrong, as long as you've got 3 bits of those 4 correct, you get 1 mark. Now the next mark is for doing the simplifying, so that means gathering together the x's. So 4x plus 12x is going to be 16x, a positive 2, and then we add 6 to it, that's going to be a positive 8. So that's it. And that's our 2 marks. So let's have another go. So to start off with, we do 3 lots of 5x, and we do 3 lots of 7. So 3 lots of 5x is going to give us 15x. 3 lots of 7 is going to give us a positive number, which is 21. 2 lots of 6x gives us 12x, and 2 lots of 1 is 2. And again, 3 out of those 4 bits correct gives us 1 mark. So now we're going to do 15x. So 15x plus this 12x, which gives us 27x. Then we've got a plus 21 plus 2, which is plus 23. Okay, sometimes it'll be a little bit trickier. So if we have a look at this one here, we start off in exactly the same way. So 6 lots of 2x is going to be 12x. 6 lots of 8 is going to be 48. But the next one is minus 3. So minus 3 times by 3x. And notice it's still times. So 3 times 3 is going to be 9x. But because it's a minus 3 times 3x, it's going to be minus 9x. Now the next thing we do is we do the minus 3 times a minus 6. And again, remember we're multiplying, so it's going to be 18. But a minus times a minus makes a positive number. And that's what most people will drop a mark on if they do indeed drop a mark. So when we've got 2 negatives multiplying together, it will be a positive number. But the first bit here, this minus 3 times 3x, that's a minus 3 times a positive 3x. So that's why we get a minus 9x. But the minus 3 times a minus 6, that's a minus times a minus, which makes a positive. Okay, so just like before, what we're now going to do is we're going to simplify that. So we've got the 12x, but this time we're going to take away 9x. So 12x take away 9x leaves us with 3x. And we've got 48 plus 18, which gives us plus 66. Okay, next one. So again, this is a trickier one, and this is what they're expecting you to drop marks on. So that's why if it's a trickier paper, this is the sort of question they'll chuck in. 5 lots of 4x is going to be 20x. 5 lots of 9 is going to be plus 45. Then we've got the next one, so minus 3 times 3x is going to be minus 9x. Then we've got a minus 3 times a minus 8. Now remember, a minus times a minus is a plus. That's going to be plus 3 lots of 8 is 24. What we've then got to do is we've got to gather the x's together. So 20x take away 9x. So if you think about the number scale, 0 is here, 20 is here, then I'm going to take away 9, so that's going to go down to 11x. And then we've got a plus 45, plus 24. So plus 45 is somewhere up here, and then we're going to add 24 onto that. It's going to be plus 69. Okay, so now it's your turn. And I'm going to just pause for a second to give you enough time to pause the video. You're going to have this one here, and then once you've done these 2 questions, we've got these 2 here. And so now hopefully I've given you enough time to pause, so now we can check to see whether or not you got the correct answer. So 5 lots of x is 5x, 5 lots of 3 is going to be 15. 2 lots of x is going to be 2x, and 2 lots of 7 is going to be 14. Now, getting 3 out of those 4 bits correct is 1 mark, and then gathering them together, so 5x plus 2x is going to be 7x, 15 plus 14 is going to be plus 29. So that's what you should have got for that first one. 8 lots of x, then 8 lots of 10, so that's going to be 8x plus 80. 2 lots of x, 2 lots of 4 is going to be plus 2x plus 8. So 8x plus 2x is going to be 10x. 80 plus 8 is going to be plus 88. Okay, hopefully you got both of those right. Next one, we're going to do 5 lots of x, which is going to be 5x. 5 lots of 2, which is going to be plus 10. Minus 3x. And then remember, it's minus 3 times minus 3, so that's going to be plus 9. So we've got 5x take away 3x. Remember, we've got this sign that's in front of it. So if you want to put a circle around the x's and the signs in front of it, that's 5x take away 3x, which is 2x. And we've got 10 plus 9, which is going to be plus 19. And the last one, 4 times x is going to be 4x. 4 times 8 is going to be plus 32. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 5 is going to be plus 15. So 4x take away 3x is going to be 1x, and we can either write 1x or just write it as x. 32 plus 15 is going to be plus 47, or you can write it as x plus 47. Either way, it's exactly the same correct answer. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy the next few days of your holiday, maths free. But again, please like, share, and subscribe.